guys, welcome back to Cooking with Daddy Bud.
Yeah, tonight on Cooking with Daddy Bud, we're doing eggs and bacon.
Yeah, eggs and bacon. That's what we're doing today in Cooking with Daddy Bud. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you the bacon. That's the bacon. That's the bacon. There's the bacon, guys. This is the bacon we're cooking. It's really good. And that's the eggs.
Here are the eggs.
Bacon.
And we cooking it all on the Blackstone griddle.
Again. As you guys know, we love this Blackstone griddle. It's super good. Dad, tell them about the Blackstone griddle.
Blackstone griddles comes in many sizes. They come in 17 inch. They come in 22 inch. They come in a 28 inch. And they come in a 36 inch.
And Dad, tell them what size you have.
I have the 22 inch small one that we cook on. And I also have a 28 inch.
Yeah, let me show you guys.
Here's the 22 inch that I cook on for the family, and we do that on a regular basis.
Yeah, we just took
And
them.
over here, got some junk on it right now, but
Let's just do it also. Don't know
I
here.
got some crap on it. But here's my 28 inch.
Yeah, it's right here.
That's the 28 inch.